V11 comes with Halo full view display. Choose from two colors, Starry Night Black and Nebula Purple. The phone is made available with 6GB RAM plus 128GB internal memory, expandable up to 256GB with a dedicated microSD slot. Both SIM slots support 4G capability. The 6.3-inch Full HD Plus Halo full view display provides a seamless experience with 91.64% screen-to-body ratio. Unlock the phone using the fingerprint sensor placed at the back. The 16-megapixel plus 5-megapixel rear camera comes with AI low-light mode and AI backlight HDR. The 25-megapixel selfie camera allows you to take perfect selfies with little post-editing. The phone runs on Android Oreo-based FunTouch OS 4.5. The V11 is powered by MediaTek P60 octa-core processor. This phone is equipped with a 3315 mAh battery with dual-engine fast charge technology. The box includes handset, earphone, user manual, micro USB to USB cable, USB power adapter, SIM ejector pin, and protective case. Check the product page for details on EMI options and exchange. For further information on the product, warranty, payment, and delivery options and other offers, visit the product detail page.